do. There are going to be some things where if you're looking at a hill climb or you're looking at a section, you're like, no, I don't want to do this. It's okay because I do have like little bailouts and offshoots.
Oh, good morning, Internet. Welcome back to the channel. I'm Reverend Enduro. And we are on our alternate ride because the national forests are all closed. So I thought we were going to be in the clear. And they'd reopen in time for our group ride. But they extended it another week. So last minute I reached out to Jeremy to see if he could set up a ride in his area so that we'd still be able to ride. So we're in the super secret hill, the super secret Hills of Kilbourne, and I'm rusty.
I love this part. It's so loose out here today.
Dude, this yeah, this is funny. I keep flaming out, man. Good start to the morning. Big old rock coming down. What? Yeah. I got the old girl just tracked her up that thing. It was at a crawl. I heard you have to do fewer oil changes if the frame guards are gone. All right, I'm gonna follow Dan close. I got Dan the man out here in front. Guy's been off the bike for 3 months, something like that. Just use my tire. Dan came down that quick, dude. That's the kind of stuff I do. No, you no! Damn, 4 strokes! Traffic jam. Oi! What are you guys doing? Oh my God! I got you. Good job, Matt.
I got a lot of work to do.
That's why these are good. You know, because you can push yourself a little bit and you got a lot of hands to help.
I guess I'm safe.
Had ourselves a little break, making our way back off the top. I would have had that clean.
Fire.
Let's see it, Robert. Do it clean. No dabs. Oh, that's a dab. Down, down, baby, down by the roller coaster, sweet, sweet baby. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Puff. What?
This is the way, right?
I believe so.
You have to change the name to Rookie Enduro.
No way, that was a good freaking attempt.
We need to be up there, not down here.
Mike says that way goes.
Go that way too.
Oh.
Both easy.
Nope, not enough room.
There was no oomph.
There's no room.
What's going on over here? A big drop? Oh, that's fun.
Sit on your bike. Put out.
You taking your bike for a walk? Cool. All right, man. Great riding with you. We'll see you on the next one.
Sure, thank you for
I'm
coming
gonna
out.
go work on my balance.
I got cross-roaded.
You alright, buddy?
Yeah. I just got cross-roaded.
You need help picking it up?
Nah, I should be able to get it. Ugh. Alright, so we'll grab some lunch, some more water, and get back after it.